Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a quick review of the Cyeva cup holder phone mount for your car or CUV. It's a two-in-one car cup holder expander for a car with 360-degree rotating long arm for your cell phone. It works with all types of cell phones. It'll work with my iPhone Pro Max, iPhone 15s. I'm using with an iPhone, the latest version of the SE. But it works with all those Androids, stuff like that. It's made out of hard plastic, pretty good quality plastic, by the way. It did not feel flimsy in my hand. First things we're going to do is we're going to actually unbox it. Everything's going to be sped up in regards to the unboxing process. You've seen me review these before, different versions such as the tray and all that stuff. This is the phone mount version. So the installation is basically the same in how you install it in your car. It comes with, of course, the phone holder mount. It comes with the screwdriver. The screwdriver is what you need to, all you need to install this. And of course, it comes with it. You see the slots on the side of the car cup holder itself. If you see some of my other videos, you know that's so you can put coffee mugs in there. So you know with a lot of them, you cannot put a coffee mug because of the handles. Well, that's what those slots are for the coffee mug itself. So it'll fit down in there so you don't have to worry about tipping over. It comes with actually two screws in case you lose the first screw. I believe that's why. But it has one screw in the bag with the screwdriver, and it actually has another screw in the box. Now, to open up the actual car cup, or excuse me, phone mount holder, you push a button and it will pop open just like that. A little pressure on that button, it goes in there. The bottom piece also moves, so if you got a bigger phone, you can slide the bottom piece that helps hold your phone in too. It seems really sturdy. I've never really had a problem with their products in regards to my phone actually falling out of them. I like the design of this one because of, well, it mounts right on the car cup holder. Now, the installation process is actually going to be on my 2023 Nissan ARIYA EV CUV, or EUV, whatever you want to call it. So a fully electric, brand new, spanking, modern electric car. You can see me put it in a Kia. You can see it even put it in my 2023 Nissan Kicks. But let's take a super modern car that's not going to be built like a lot of other cars, and the inside's going to be totally different many times. This is a car that was built from the ground up. So let's see if it can, if the Cyeva car cup holder and phone mount is up to the challenge for one of the most modern electric cars out on the block right now, and Nissan's latest electric offering. As you can see, use a screwdriver, screw it together. Now, once you got it together like that, you can twist it and it opens up those prongs on the side, which is what tightens and holds it in place. Like I said, I've never had a problem with these. Every once in a while, after a long time, you might have to twist it a little bit and tighten it back up. That's it. That's all you have to do. It's not a big deal. Now, with that being said, putting on the phone mount itself is pretty simple. Loosen everything so you can pop up the little phone mount, the little ball that goes in there so you can rotate your phone the different ways you like, things like that. This can hold, the car cup holder itself, as you've seen in my other videos, can hold up to 40 ounces cups. If I didn't say that, 18, I believe 18 ounces to 40 cups, 40 ounce bottles. You can tighten it. You can bring the actual phone holder mount height up, or you can decrease it. Personally, I like it further down just because it gives it more, makes it feel more solid to me. I don't really need it that high like I'm showing it right there. That's just a basic, like a Gatorade bottle style right there, put in there just so you can see. It will not interfere because you can move that phone mount all different ways, as you just saw right there. Now, with that being said, it fit perfectly in the Nissan ARIYA. Let's get a better look. And like I said, the ARIYA is a little bit weirder than other cars, but this is the way a lot of our new cars are going to be going. More that sleek, not much in there type of looks besides phone mount. I mean, besides car cup holders, or you put your cups and all that stuff. So having this was pretty important. And it did not affect or interfere with my screens that I need to see, which are very important when you have electric cars. So there was no impact on anything I needed to do in the car. There you see a much larger cup I put in there. So you see the size of it. And even though it looks like it's touching the car cup holder or the phone mount, you can adjust it and move it over. Anyway, would I recommend this? Yes, I would. As you know me, I like to travel, road trips, all that good stuff. So I would recommend the Cyeva cup holder, phone mount, 2-in-1 cup holder expander with a cell phone holder. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. This is Frugal Panda out. Have a good day and get out on that road and have some trips of your own. Links will be in the description from Amazon. Thank you.